Creating slime is a fun and simple activity that typically requires a few basic ingredients. Here's a common recipe for making basic slime. Ingredients: white school glue, water, slime activator. There are several options for slime activators. The most common ones include borax solution. Mix 1 teaspoon of borax powder with 1 cup of warm water. Stir until the borax is completely dissolved. Contact lens solution. Check the label for a solution that contains boric acid and sodium borate. Food coloring or acrylic paint. Add color to your slime by using food coloring or acrylic paint. Choose your favorite color or mix different ones for a unique hue. Optional: glitter, beads, or sequins. Enhance your slime with some sparkle or texture by adding glitter, beads, or sequins. Remember to follow safety guidelines, especially when using borax. Additionally, adjust ingredient quantities based on the amount of slime you want to make. Have a slimy good time and make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to your channel for more fun how-to videos.